Thank you for choosing Fertility Connected, providing females with an at-home screening system to get AMH level. Now that you've received your kit, we'll walk you through how to use it. To start, log into your Fertility Connected app to ensure your fertility profile is set up and your unique ID matches the kit you've received. Then, open the box on a clean, dry surface to lay everything out. Your kit will include an alcohol wipe, gauze, 2 bandages, a collection card with your unique test identification code, 2 lancets, and a return envelope. If you are missing any of these items, please contact support@fertilityconnected.com. Ensure your dry blood spot sample collection card has your unique identification code on it. The dry blood spot sample collection card enclosed in your Fertility Connected female testing system is a vessel developed for the collection, transport and storage of your blood sample. The 5 perforated circles are the sample collection area. Please avoid touching this area. If your collection card is soiled or damaged in any way, please contact support@fertilityconnected.com for a new testing system to be sent to you. This will be sent to you at no extra charge. This collection card is intended for single use only by one individual. Your collection card has a unique test identifier allocated to you and you only. To ensure accuracy of your results, please avoid collecting a blood sample from other individuals. Blood collection. When you are ready, be sure to wash and dry your hands before collecting your blood sample. Open the gauze pad and adhesive bandage and place to one side. Rub your hands together to increase blood circulation. It is best to select your 3rd or 4th finger to collect your blood sample. Choose a location to the side of your finger, as this area is softer and will produce the best sample. Clean the area of skin with your alcohol swab and allow to air dry for 30 seconds. Take your lancet and hold it from the sides. Twist the white cap a quarter turn to unlock. You will feel the cap advance forward. Do not pull. Continue twisting until you feel it separate from the device, then pull the cap. Gently press the lancet platform against your finger. To activate, press the side trigger button. The needle will puncture the skin, then automatically retract into the device. Apply and release pressure on your testing finger to allow a drop of blood to form. Take your gauze and wipe away the first blood drop. The next blood drop should be placed onto the card at the center of the printed circle area. The blood will quickly spread and soak in. Make sure the circular sample collection areas are completely soaked in, front and back. Your blood sample must be applied from the front side only. Try and fill at least 3 circles with your blood sample. If you cannot collect enough blood with your original testing finger, repeat the collection process on another finger with a new lancet. Once you have collected your sample, please use the supplied bandage to cover your testing finger. Allow the blood sample collection card to dry completely for at least 3 hours at room temperature between 18 to 25 degrees Celsius. We advise you set a 3-hour timer on your phone. Do not dry artificially with heat or expose to direct sunlight to shorten the drying time. After the 3-hour drying time is complete, place your collection card into the envelope. Your return envelope has the laboratory address details and postage costs have already been applied. Please dispose of your lancet into an appropriate sharps container and any other kit items into general waste. Your Fertility Connected box can be placed into a recycling receptacle. Your results will be available within 3 business days of delivery to the lab. Please check your profile on the Fertility Connected app for personalized results using your login details. Thank you for purchasing the Fertility Connected female fertility screening system. empowering you with fertility knowledge and supporting your journey. Reach out with questions anytime at support@fertilityconnected.com.